You will never understand your true potential until you understand the reality you are living in. The world we know, the world we think we control, is actually a system that's control us. From the moment you wake up, you are plugged into a system so deep, so hidden, that it shapes every aspect of your life without you even knowing it. But here's the truth: if you don't understand how this system works, you will forever be a prisoner to your own reality. Imagine living a life of freedom, clarity, and abundance. This knowledge can unlock that door, but only if you have the courage to face the truth. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you will see the world in a completely new way. It's going to change everything you thought you knew. You might think that you live in a world where you make the rules, but that's far from the truth. The system is everywhere: the education system, the financial system, the government, the media. These systems were designed to shape how you think, behave, and perceive reality. But here's the shocking part: these systems were not created by random chance. They were created by people who understand the hidden laws of nature, power, and consciousness. These are the 33rd degree knowledge holders, people who know how the world works at a level beyond your imagination. The world you see is an illusion. Every time you look at a problem, your mind is being influenced by forces you cannot see. These forces manipulate your beliefs, your choices, your desires. But what if I told you that you could step outside of the system? What if I told you there's a way to break free from the matrix and design your own destiny? You have been kept in the dark, but now it's time to shine the light on the truth. You think the government controls you? The media tells you what to believe. What if I told you that the system itself is controlled by forces you could never imagine? The 33rd degree knowledge is not about conspiracy theories. It's about understanding the spiritual, economic, and the psychological forces that govern our lives. The true power lies in those who understand energy and how it influences the world. From the laws of attraction to the hidden truths in the sacred text, there is knowledge that has been guarded for millennia, and only those who understand these ancient secrets can truly shape their lives. Think about this: the richest people in the world don't play by the same rules as the rest of us. They operate on a different frequency, a different understanding of how the universe works. They understand that reality is malleable, that thoughts, beliefs, and actions create their world. If you ever felt stuck, it's because you have been playing someone else's game. But now I'm going to teach you how to play your own game, how to break free from the system. The first step is awakening to the fact that what you perceive as reality, it's just a shadow of what is truly possible. When you understand the system, you can begin to see through its illusions. Let me ask you, have you ever felt like there's more to life than what you are experiencing? That deep feeling that you were meant for something greater. That's the higher self trying to speak to you. It's trying to wake you up, but you have been too distracted by the world around you. The 33rd degree knowledge reveals that reality is a vibration. Everything you see, hear, and experience is vibrating at a specific frequency, and you have the ability to change your frequency. By understanding the laws of energy, you can tap into higher frequencies and create a life that aligns with your true purpose. But there's a catch. Most people will never reach this understanding because they are stuck in the system. But you, yes, you can break free. Now that you know the system is a lie, how do you break free? It's simple but not easy. The first step is awareness. Once you see the system for what it is, you will start to understand how it operates. But it's not enough to just know about it. You must take action. Start by questioning everything. Ask yourself, what is really going on here? Why do I believe what I believe? Why do I do the things I do? The answer will start to appear when you open your mind. The second step is energy control. You are not just a body, you are an energy being. When you learn to control your energy, your thoughts, emotions, and actions, you begin to shape your reality by aligning your energy with your true purpose. You create the life you have always dreamt of. The final step is becoming a creator. You are not just a passenger in this world, you are the one who shapes your destiny. When you understand how the system works, you become the one who controls the game. The truth is, the system can never control you unless you allow it. The moment you understand how it works, you take back your power, you take back control over your life, and now the choice is yours. Will you continue to live under the control of the system, or will you awaken and break free? Comment below with your thoughts and let me know if you are ready to take control of your reality. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss out on the truth that will change your life.